morning, everyone! It's bright and early. We are at the Ogtong Beach Resort. We were at the airport at 5 a.m. and we got to Bantayan Island at 7. We were so tired and we just passed out. But this is what greeted me today.
Also, ayaw mag-bike ni Mabel. One activity that you can do here is bike around the city. But we have our tricycle and Kuya Jerry, who will bring us around today. He will be our tour guide for the day. Yay!
A boat ride away from Bantayan. Virgin Island para sa mga
virgin. Look!
Kavive.
Dream ko maging mermaid.
Dream niya maging mermaid. Mga bad. So first stop when you get to the island is you have to register. Hi po. Marami bang gwapo dito, ate?
Si Kuya!
Hindi ba gwapo si Kuya? Paano naghahanap akong true love eh? Wala ba dito yon?